crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And in today's video, I am going to show you what I have in these two IKEA drawers. Some of you have DM'd me in my Instagram account and are curious to see what I have in these IKEA drawers. I finally finished purging and organizing more things. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I have in each of these IKEA's drawers. Well, here I am. A couple of you requested to show you the these drawers. I finally finished cleaning and purging. You see that bag over there? That's like donation bags. Purging things around. So let's come closer to this one, and I'm going to probably tilt my camera. So the first drawer, as you can see, I labeled this one called flowers, tassels, rosettes. So I do have plenty of things here. Everything categorized, all my flowers, all my tassels, more flowers, bows, rosettes, paper clips, things like that. These are all my little die cuts, butterflies, appliques, and tiny little charms. So let's go into the next one. The next one is called embellishments, and these are like kind of a, I want to say a hodgepodge of embellishment kits that I put together. I got these on a swap, and as you can see, little knickknacks here and there, my tiny little beads, little charms, more kind of rosettes, embellishments that were given to me in swaps. As you can tell, I don't have that many. And let's go ahead and check the third one. That is a specialty papers. Why I call it specialty papers? Because I have things that I have bought years ago. Everything is like kind of like vintage kits. And I have origami paper underneath, more vintage stuff. I call it specialty papers drawer. The next one is my Maggie Holmes. I finally finished organizing these. I have most of the Maggie Holmes collections and stickers, my ephemera, and all kinds of things. Then it is called 6x6 pad sticker book. So as you can see, I have all my things here. Some of the stickers books that I have purchased, in 6x6 paper pads. And my last one, I'm gonna come closer. 12x12 papers. As you can see, I have my Holmes, Paige Taylor Evans, and some Halloween stuff. So the next one, I have, this one, I have all these kind of like 3x3 baggies, you know, for packaging, swaps. Chipboard. This is my collection of all the chipboards that I have. Most of them are Maggie Home collections and crepe paper. The next one I have, this is a new thing I organized. So they are tags and paper pads, my banners, things like that. So it's easy for me. So if I want to just, you know, send a swap, I just, you know, pick handmade by. And these are like mini envelopes. I don't want to say library library cards, but these are like, I can add on things here and there. Coming Closer, ATC cards, all the acetates, things like that. Now the next one, I have most of my stickers in these plastic kind of sleeves that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I have them, you know, categorized, and then I have some of my leftover chipboard and, you know, things that I have, right? Now the other one, these are stickers. Again, everything categorized. Travel, mermaids, unicorns. As you can see, I label everything so I know what I can get, where I can find things. It's easier, right? And the last one, this is all my cards. So some of the papers, envelopes, seals, you know, all the cards. So yeah, so these are the view of my 2 IKEA drawers. So I hope this video have given you some ideas on how to organize or store your craft supplies. As you can see, I'm donating more stuff, purging things around, you know, and I know things that I have not used for past year, you know what? Time to let it go and go to a better place, right? If you are interested in watching more organizational videos, just leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'm happy to put this together. So thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.